Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to Vlogmas episode 6. So I wanted to switch it up a bit from my usual natural hair tutorials of doing a wash and go to styling my hair in a flat twist out. So we're starting off on freshly washed hair. I washed it last night. I just put it into these two braids because my hair can be a bit unruly with no products in it. So I grabbed this rosemary mint oil from TJ Maxx because it smelled good and my scalp really needs it, especially when styling my hair semi-dry. I don't want my scalp to start flaking up, so I'm just applying it to different areas of my scalp and massaging it in with my fingertips. I'm trying to figure out which side I want my hair to fall with the flat twist out style, but I'm parting my hair into 5 sections. 3 across the front, although it looks like 2. It's definitely 3. I just was missing a claw clip. So I have 3 across the front, 1 in the middle, and then 1 in the back. I got this party method from Md here on YouTube. Y'all know my girl. She is just awesome. I love her content. I'll leave her video linked down in the description box below. But the way she styled her hair just makes it easy for my flat twist to lay nice and neat. Sorry, my throat is a little scratchy, girl. I really hate doing voiceovers if you can't tell. Starting with the back section of my hair, I'm lightly spritzing water, just misting it over my hair, not adding too much, but I wanted to wet it a little bit just to add my leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture. This is the Strength and Restore. No, we didn't use a dime size amount. We used a $1 piece. So I'm just applying this to the entire section, working it in from root to tip, and then I'm parting my hair in medium-sized twists. Not doing mini twists, girl. I barely even want to do these type of twists, but I just wanted to try this protective style. While I was in TJ Maxx, I came across this mousse that I wanted to give a go. I seen some of the natural curly girls talk about it. As you can see, 1 pump gives you a lot of product. That's all you really need. Y'all gonna see me try 2 pumps, don't know why. But I'm just applying this to the entire section, working it in with my fingers from root to tip. And then I'm gonna go in with my ragtail comb just to make sure I don't have any kinks. My hair is not curling up or reverting into curls. I want it nice and smooth. So I'm gonna try my best to explain how I'm doing this flat twist. I pinched each side of the section and I'm just looping it around each other, if that makes any sense. I hope you all can see. I know it's not a really good visual tutorial. This is just a tutorial on how I get really defined hair when I'm doing my twist out. I'll leave some links down in the description box below of other flat twist tutorials that's a little bit more in-depth that could show you a better view because these views not giving it. As you can see, I'm just looping my finger over it, crossing the hair, smoothing it out. Going over, looping it out, same thing. And then I'm going to go in with my comb again just to smooth out the hair, make sure I don't have any kinks. And this is the biggest tip when you're doing flat twists, regular twists, any type of twist. Don't borrow from the other section. Then I'm just going to swirl it around my finger like so. Usually if my hair is soaking wet, I'll get a really pretty curl, but my hair is semi-damp, so you're not going to get it. And I'm going to just show you one more time, one more again. I'm not going to speed through, spritzing it with water. I'm not adding any more leave-in conditioner, and here's where I tried 2 pumps. You can see that my hair is really saturated, and look at the curls. This is why I want to try wash and go with this product, just to see how it works on my hair. And I'm smoothing it out again with a ragtail comb. Then I'm starting my flat twist. I don't even know why I got my wedding ring on while I'm doing this. Girl, what was I thinking? Anyway, as you can see, I'm going under and over, under and over, and I'm holding it really taut as I'm twisting down. Girl, I don't know if that makes any sense or not, but this is not a tutorial on how to do flat twists. I'm just showing you the product and what I'm doing to get really good definition. Just my method, let me say that. I'm smoothing it out with the comb again, and you can see the curls. The curls is definitely popping with this product, so I do want to give it a try. So we're just going to continue to do this flat twist, twisting it all the way down to the bottom, holding it really tight, not borrowing from one side because that will mess up your twist out or your flat twist out when you're taking it down. Swirling it around my finger, and there go my little curl. You can see it, nice and cute. And here is how the back section looks so far. The flat twists are nice, moisturized, and neat. They're not perfect because we're not wearing it as a protective style, but they will get the job done. So I'm just going to layer this section over top of that section, and this is what it looks like. And for the front side sections, I'm just dividing it into 2 flat twists, angling my part downwards towards my face. And for the top section, I'm twisting my hair towards my face, but more at an angle to the side that I want my hair to fall when I take my flat twist out. And here's the finished results of my flat twist. Each twist is nice and neat, hydrated and moisturized with a lot of bounce and movement. And although my parts is not super neat, I could still rock this protective style outside because she's cute. This is probably the only time I could put a head on my head, truthfully. But it's nice and neat. You can see each twist looks nice and neat. So if your ends tend to unravel, you could use perm rods to hold them tight. Or if your hair is getting in your face and it's starting to bother you, you could use a clip like this or a bobby pin just to pin it to the side. But I'm going to let my hair air dry overnight, and I will touch bases with you all tomorrow when it's time to take it down. So it's the next day, and I slept with my satin bonnet on overnight, just letting my hair air dry, and I'm just feeling on my twists, squeezing them to make sure that they are completely dry all the way through before we take them out. Starting with the first twist I put in my hair, I'm going to add a small amount of oil to my hands just to help reduce the frizz. Not sure how true that is, but it's something that I learned from an OG natural hair YouTuber, and I've just been rocking with it ever since. But I'm not going to speed through this part. I want to share with you the process of taking out my twist out. I'm going nice and slow. I want to share some tips with you to help you keep definition in your hair that I've learned over the years with doing twists, flat twists, twist outs, all of those types of styles. And I'm just showing you this in real time. So number one, just take your time. Start unraveling your twist from the bottoms, especially when you at this part before you get above the nape of your neck. If you twist your hair nice and neat and don't borrow from the other section, your hair would basically unravel itself for you. So right here is where I start to divide my hair. And if you can see where my hair separates on its own, I just take them apart that way. It would help reduce frizz if you don't want your hair to be super frizzy. On the other hand, I like frizz because it gives my hair a lot of volume, and I love super big hair, so it doesn't bother me at all. But if you are particular about having a lot of frizz, just take your time, and your hair will show you where it divides at, and just split it from that part. I hope that makes sense. So I'm just speeding through this because I'm doing the same thing that I did, just taking my hair out. I was going super fast because I had places to be and things to do. I end up snagging the end of one of my twists. It's all right. I'll blend it in with the rest of my hair, but that's what I mean when I say you just need to take your time when taking out your flat twist or even regular twists. Look at how full and defined the back of my hair looks. I'm just using my fingers to add volume to lift my hair up from the roots and cover up some of them parts that I got. You know, I use the comb. I don't know why I use the comb because usually I don't. But yeah, I was just trying to hide some of the parts. Look at the hair. Ooh, look at the bounce. You see it. And that's a what? Period. See, at this point, I'm tired. This is why I don't be doing those cute little protective styles and twists and mini twists and twist out and all that stuff because child, I was tired. But anyway, it looks super good. You see the definition in the flat twist, and this is my last one. Thank you, Jesus, because I could not wait to see the light at the end of the tunnel. And here is the final results of my flat twist out. My hair is super defined. It looks so good. It has a lot of bounce, a lot of volume, especially for first day hair. That's what I love about doing flat twist outs and twists. It just looks so good and defined. And my hair tends to last a lot longer than my normal wash and go. But of course, I can take this style from just wearing it like this to putting it up in a bun, but it looks good. And as a what? Period. Oh, but wait a minute. I need to lay these edges. Yeah. Do something with them edges, girl. Yes. There we go. Okay. So we laying the edges and they look good. So this is the final reveal. Edges is laid. She looks super good. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more natural hair content, lifestyle content, and all of the above. See you in the next one.